Trust me, you will love this too, okay? It was so easy, healthy, packed with a lot of healthy ingredients. And trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes and healthy recipes. And that is why you are not supposed to make it the last time of visiting. So please subscribe or follow for more videos. I have with me here my eggplant. You can call it garden eggs, anyhow you call it, okay? But this is what we are using. I'm just going to prep it, and when we are done, we will continue. My returning subscribers and followers, oh my goodness, you people, thank you so much for always being here to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, okay? I am so grateful. Yes, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Now we are done prepping everything, and I have all the eggplant in my cooking pot. I'm just going to cook this very well, and when we are done we will continue. Whilst that is on fire, I am just going to prep my spinach. Okay, you can use contemporary if that is what you want. I made this in another way a year ago, so please, if you want to check it, check my shorts and you will love that as well. Now I'll go ahead and add that to my pot and add this one as well. We are going to cook it very well, and when we are done we'll continue. So this is the quantity we got, okay, and they are in the pot already. Cook this very well. It will take you just like a minute and it should be ready, okay? Now our eggplant is also ready. Yes, I'm just going to remove everything from the hot water and then boil the next ingredients, okay? Yes, so by straining the water from it, you just have to open it small and then use your napkin to collect it like that and then strain it. Now I wanted to add my broccoli to the spinach, but I realized that the spinach is already done, okay? Yes, and we don't want to overcook it, so I used the same water I strained from the eggplant to boil my onion, carrot, and then broccoli. Cover it and allow it to cook. Now I have my red oil here. You can use any oil of your choice. I will add some chopped onions and then give it a stir. Yes, whilst we are preparing this, we will be grinding our ingredients very soon. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? It is free, okay? I've added my salted fermented fish. That is my money. Give it a stir, allow it to melt in the stew. Now add my fresh tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. If you want to add tomato paste, that is fine, or tomato sauce, that is fine, but I just want to use the fresh one. Give it a stir, allow it to cook very well. Whilst that is on fire, we are just going to grind our eggplants, and when we are done grinding it, I will show you the next thing to do. Have you subscribed? Have you followed? If you haven't, can you do so for me? It is free. Please share the video to other people so that we can expand the family, okay? Yes, should you want to use your food processor for this process, you are good to go, but I prefer using the local grinder, and that is perfect. Okay, now we are done grinding everything, and I'll go ahead and check on the ingredients on fire, give it a stir, and I will add my eggplant. Should you want to add peanut butter to your grinded eggplant, you can do so, but with this recipe I did not add. Like I said, I brought you similar recipe a year ago. It is on my shorts, and I think I added peanut butter to that. Okay, so check it out, you will love it. Now the next thing I'm going to add is my spinach. So I grinded that as well, just like we did to the eggplant. I didn't grind it very smooth. Okay, so it is rough. I will just add it to it, give it a stir, and allow it to do its own thing. And I will be with you shortly by introducing the next ingredient. Thank you once again for your time. My returning subscribers, thank you once again. Okay, I don't take you for granted. Now I will introduce my broccoli, carrot, and then my onion. Okay, I did not grind that smooth as well. I just wanted to rough, get some fiber in there. That is why I did it like that. And actually the abum is also made like this. Okay, we don't make things smooth. Yeah. Now I have introduced my proteins. You can use any protein of your choice, but I added mackerel. Okay, that is smoked mackerel, and it is known as salmon in Ghana. Okay, I have given that a stir. I'll go ahead and add my homemade natural spice and blend, and some salt. Add any seasoning of your choice, and you are good to go. Yes. And after some few minutes, our stew is ready. Just look at that. Everyone fell in love with this stew. It did not take longer time for it to get finished because it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos and share this video to others. So I come your way next time. You can't afford to miss the next upload. See you in the next one. I love you.